I'll have bubbles, okay? You can go any color you want. Red? I'm not going to. No, you can't. Only one at a go back. Only one at a time. Alright, then you can let your bottle sit that way or upside down, and I'm letting it sit that way. Then you want to pop all the bubbles. You can't go like so. And you're going to want to mix it. Don't mix your glue too fast if you want air bubbles, like that.
Oh, well, hold on, get back here.
Like
Like that, okay.
But if you mix it slow, you won't get air bubbles.
Oh, alright.
So, I have borax for my activator. I'm going to add some of this glow in the dark. See, glow in the dark. My first time using it. Okay, I'm going to add, it's so thick, so it's slowly squeeze out. Sometimes you should wait for the end to leave it.
Move your arms now. How much did you put in?
I put that much in. You can't really squeeze that much out because it's really thick.
Okay.
And now I'm going to stir.
Alright.
It makes a clear blue.
Clear blue, guys.
It's not that deep of a blue, but it's okay.
It's okay. Alright.
So
You're the slime
I'm
expert.
add a little more. I just opened the bottle. Alright, that was just a little bit. Here's my finger. I'm going to use the side of the sorry about that. Side of the dish, or just wipe it on your hands. Being really messy. And I'm still going to mix that in, and it makes a turquoise, clear blue glitter slime. It's going to glow in the dark, and it's so pretty. Now you're going to use borax. Have a parent put the borax in the hot water because it's been burning people's skins because they've been...
Borax? Where's the what?
It's right here.
Oh, that.
It's usually powder, but you have to mix it into water.
What is borax?
It's like a powder, and if you put it in hot water, it will... You have to stir it and let it dissolve. You have to let it dissolve and then stir or shake it. And, yeah. Just don't touch the powder. If you touch it for, accidentally, if it gets on your finger, hurry up and go wash it, because if you keep it on your finger, it can burn, and it can burn your, skin off, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dangerous stuff making slime.
Yes.
Burning fingers and shit.
Yeah. It's slowly clumping. Don't just pour this all in. Because I won't overreact. I just poured this over and I'm dumping some back in because that was probably too much.
Oh, well.
So,
you'll have that.
sorry if you hear kids in the background yelling. It's my next door neighbor. It's still getting a slumpy consistency. Alrighty, you guys can really see that.
Yeah. Oh, hey, where's Connor's in? Sorry.
Back to slime making. He's they're playing
Gotcha.
Sharks and Minions.
Ah, gotcha. Oof.
And if you get a consistency like this, you know you're making it right.
All right. She should know. That's a bucket of slime right there. A big bucket.
So just keep adding slowly until you get to like this. Hold on 1 second.
Okay, well.